Most people fail to learn German. Not because it's hard, but because nobody told them how to start correctly. Before a single word, before any app, before any textbook, you need one thing above everything else. One thing, a reason that burns inside you. Your why is the engine, and without it, every single difficult day will defeat you. Phase 1 is not reading, it is not grammar, it is not vocabulary lists, it is listening. Flood your ears with German. Podcasts, YouTube, films, anything. You will not understand a single word at first. That is exactly the point. Your brain is silently mapping an entirely new sonic world and building the foundation everything else will rest on. Choose one teacher, one voice. If you are a man, mirror a male teacher. Your vocal cords, your natural resonance, your pitch, they need a matching model to copy correctly. Jump between teachers, and you will build a broken, unnatural accent that will take years to fix. One voice, one model. Commit. Der, die, das. This is not a technicality. This is the skeleton of the entire language. Every noun, every single noun, must be learned with its gender from the very first day. Not later, not eventually. From day 1. This single habit will separate you from every struggling learner you will ever meet. Now, the 4 cases. Nominative, accusative, dative, genitive. Do not open a declension table yet. First, understand what cases actually do. They tell you the role of every noun in a sentence, who is acting, who is receiving, who is indirectly affected, who owns something. Once that logic lives in your mind, the tables are not difficult. They are simply the labels for what you already understand. Here is the truth that nobody in the language learning industry wants to say out loud. Every method that feels comfortable at the start, every app that makes it fun and frictionless, is quietly building a ceiling above you. And one day, you will hit it hard. Early friction is not your enemy. Early friction is your most powerful advantage. Embrace the difficulty now, and you will outlast everyone who took the easy road. You now have the blueprint, the mission, the method, the mindset. The only question left is the one only you can answer. Will you build on rock or on sand? Start today. Start correctly. Start once.